In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn YouTube videos into blog posts with Make.com. By the end, you'll have an automated workflow that listens for new YouTube videos and turns their title and description into a ready-to-publish blog post, all without manual copying and pasting. First, open Make.com and create a new scenario. Think of a scenario as your automation canvas. This is where you'll chain together the apps and actions that make the magic happen. Start by adding YouTube as your trigger. Search for the YouTube module, then choose a trigger like Watch Videos. This listens for new content automatically. When prompted, connect your YouTube account securely, then pick the channel or a specific playlist you want to monitor. Choosing a playlist is great if you only want posts for a certain series, while selecting the whole channel will capture everything you publish. Next, click the plus button to add another module and search for OpenAI. Choose Create a chat completion. This is the step that transforms raw video details into polished writing. If the connection setup appears, follow the on-screen prompts and keep your credentials private. Now craft your prompt. A simple, reliable prompt is, turn this YouTube video title and description into a blog post. Then insert the variables from the YouTube trigger for the video title and the video description. You can also add light guidance such as tone or length, but keep it focused so the output stays consistent. It's time to decide where the blog post should land. Add your publishing destination, such as WordPress, Google Docs, or Notion. Connect the chosen platform securely. This step doesn't change the content. It just routes the finished post to the right place. Map the content. Take the OpenAI response and place it into your blog platform's main content or body field. If your destination supports titles separately, you can use the video title there, but the key is ensuring the article text goes into the correct content field. Run a test by clicking Run Once. Let the scenario process a recent video, then review the created draft. Check formatting, headings, and any links. If the tone isn't quite right, tweak your prompt and test again until the result feels on brand. Finally, save your work and turn the scenario on. From now on, each new video will automatically generate a blog post draft where you want it. Thanks for watching.